welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn about how to do visual effects and to play with animation and effects in Canva. So I have made this fun, cool, really amazing animation and After Effects. You should actually check it out. Isn't it Isn't it cool? It looks so amazing. The flame is going behind the font. And today we're just gonna learn basically how to make this. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna go in Canva and you're gonna first of all go and click on videos. You're gonna click on landscape. And after you come here, first of all, let's just write a name of a design. I know I didn't tell you how to write the name of the template. I'm gonna name it Fire Effects. Fire Effects. Okay. Now I'm gonna first of all change the color of the background to black. I'm gonna go on text and apply heading. I'm gonna change it and write over here fire. I'm gonna increase the size and put it in the middle. Somewhere over here. I'm gonna search for a font named Leaks Autumn. It's kind of really bold and a nice font. Now you're gonna make a duplicate of it and you're gonna move it above it. You're gonna go on effects, click on hollow. And then after that, you're going to your elements and search for ash blaze. You can even search for fire, but the video I choose is more near to it's have a search engine of ash blaze. You can check it out by yourself. And it's not important that you only use fire effects or only ash. You can even do a water effect like this or a gas popping behind the text. You can explore it. Canva is full of diversity. I'm gonna choose this one over here. And then I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the video. I'm gonna set it as my background. I'm gonna background remove it, and you can even do it. You can do it if you have a premium subscription, and if you don't have a premium subscription, it's okay. You can do it like this only, okay? Well, I'm also going to do it without background removing. Then I'm gonna right click over here, and I'm gonna go in layers, show layers. The shortcut is Alt 1. You can either go from here, or if you don't want to go from here, click on Alt and 1. You're here. Now I'm gonna drag it and put it above the bold fire and under the hollow fire. Now let's preview it. Wow, it looks pretty nice now. Now what should we do is to maybe feel it it's so really realistic. I'm gonna go in audio and I'm gonna search for fire. And then I was AFK and I already saw this fireplace constant burning and I like this audio. You can even try it out. And I'm gonna put this over here and I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna increase the volume because I've already played it. It's not kind of a loud volume. I'm gonna put it over to maximum voice and now let's preview it. So I hope in this video you learned something pretty much new and interesting. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends.